Hey, so it's nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too. And sorry for not being with you.
That's fine.
Most of the times it's just really busy days. So.
At least I got to coordinate with your busy schedule. And thanks for hosting and walking me to my open house and appointment.
Good luck with that.
We'll see how it goes. So when will I see you again?
Maybe in the summer.
In the summer?
Or if you come here in Pécs again,
okay.
You have to see it in its better days.
Yeah.
When the sun is
when
shining.
It's warmer.
But it's actually quite nice now. Okay, that's springtime again,
but it's getting there.
Yeah.
All right. So maybe we'll make a trip up to Svalbard Island. All right. So we'll have to plan it.
Yeah.
All right. That's good. Well, I finished my Emirates Open house here in Pécs. I'm just headed to the train station. It was a good open house. About 80 people attended. 20 of them were Asian girls. I don't know. They came all the way here just for that. It was successful on my part, even though I wasn't selected. I didn't really want the job anyway. I just came for the experience. I'm getting aboard the train now at 1:14. It was a good trip, and you can see the TV tower, which I'll go visit next time I stop by Pécs. I got to Hungary. I'm just going to finish the metro really quickly.
Kérjük, a vágány mellett vigyázzanak.
Seconds. Hey,
So,
Anna.
It's
How are you?
How many times have you pointed the lens?
You're my favorite star now.
Oh, thank you.
So we saw each other last September.
Yeah, that's correct.
So
Yes.
it's only been 7 months.
Only 7 months.
Last time it was like 4 years.
Yeah, actually, but it seems like it was yesterday
Yeah.
for me. Time just keeps meshing each day, meshing day. So yeah.
Yeah, so it was fall when I saw you, and now it's spring.
Yeah, and we had a scooter with us.
Yeah, you have your scooter with you?
Yes, sure, but not with
Not
me.
with you.
At home.
At home, okay. And you don't have any bicycle yet.
No, actually
Okay.
not.
So nice day, huh?
Yep, it's around 27,
20?
21 maybe.
Where are we gonna go now?
Yeah, to the Eden vegan restaurant, which means which was previously an ostrich, not ostrich. How do you say that? The bird that
Oyster?
No. The bird that puts his head into the sand.
That's funny. I don't know. Are we going to the same one that we went last time?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
There was a bird that put his head into the sand. When he got scared, and he always dumps his head into the sand.
Is it a Hungarian bird?
No, Australian one.
Australian? We
Yes.
need to research that.
But something like ostrich, no?
Ostrich.
Ostrich.
Is it?
Okay. Yes.
Ah, okay, yeah, that's right.
They served here ostrich meat.
Oh, really?
Previously,
Before?
yes. But I do not think that it was so popular. Then they realized that it's better to go vegan. So
Ah, okay. Have you ever tried ostrich eggs?
no. It's huge, I bet, right?
Yeah, it's
This
pretty
one.
big. Hey, so what is this building again?
This is the so-called market hall, which
okay.
was built around the 19th century, maybe.
19th century?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, shall we?
All right, so we ordered our food here. I got some soup and a little vegetable patty. And what did you get?
I got a vegan burger with ananas.
Ananas.
Ananas. Okay.
Oh yeah, pineapple.
Yeah. Pineapple. Yes, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a German and yeah.
Yeah. So have you tried this one before?
No, actually, this is my first vegan burger
Oh,
here.
really? Oh, over here. Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. So I'm curious what your opinion will be afterwards.
Yes, I hope that I won't be an interview like that.
Yeah. All right, good. Well, bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Yeah, thank you.
Hey, Anna.
Hi, so
I'm just curious, what does it mean in Hungarian when it starts raining?
it means that the devil is hitting his wife, or beating his wife, to be more precise. It's a Hungarian saying, it goes like this: az ördög, the devil, veri, is beating a feleségét, his wife.
Ah, okay.
So, yeah.
That's what they say in folklore?
Yeah, this is what they say in folklore. It's when the rain is falling and there's a little bit of sunshine.
Ah, okay.
Almost,
Like
yeah,
now.
Almost, yeah, exactly.
Ah, okay. So most én itt jöttem Magyarország csak 4 nap. És nem sok idő van itt, de én szeretem találkozni emberek itt.
Én a rokonod vagyok, unokatestvéred.
Ez, igen. Ugye, hogy van az. So én mentem Pécs első.
I am your aunt.
Huh?
I am your aunt.
No, cousin. It's cousin.
Cousin?
Yeah,
Maybe.
it's for sure.
Okay.
Okay. So én mentem Pécs és csináltam egy open house Emirates, és ez jó volt nekem, de nem sikerült, mert én nem akarom ott dolgozni, cabin crew, én akarom pilotni ott. De én le kell 2 év több experience for ez munka. Yeah. Okay, so hogy sikerült 10 nap?
Hát jól sikerült.
Igen? És te dolgoztál ma?
Dolgoztam,
Okay.
és most kezdek beteg lenni.
Ez sajnos.
Lázas vagyok.
Yeah, és hova Aaron és...
Ruben és
Yeah.
Karina.
Yeah, Ruben and Karina, sorry.
Ruben elment edzésre,
Okay.
vízilabdázik,
Kézilabda.
waterpolo.
Igen.
Karina a városban van.
És...
Elment a barátaival.
okay, that's nice. And how's the dog? What's the name of the dog?
Táltos.
Hey, how are you? Ő nagyon okos, igen?
Nagyon.
Yeah.
Látod?
So, yeah. So minden nap te mész gyalogni?
Igen. Én biciklivel megyek munkába.
Oh, okay.
Biciklivel, azzal járok mindenhova.
Oh, okay.
Utána őt megsétáltatom.
Amikor te jössz vissza
Igen,
haza.
igen.
Ez nagyon jó.
Utána főzök, takarítok,
Yeah,
és kezdem a napot.
yeah, okay.
Kapaszkodok az úrba, és ő adja az erőt
Nagyon
mindenhez.
jó. Akkor én gondolom, hogy én jövök vissza Magyarországon ezen az nyárban.
Jól megy,
Mert
gyere.
én szeretem Magyarország, de akarom jobb idő, mint ma.
Ez nagyon jó idő volt.
Igen?
Ez nagyon jó idő.
És tegnap?
Tegnap
Kicsi esik az eső?
nagyon esett az
Yeah.
eső. Nagyon esett.
De ma jó
Ma
volt.
nagyon szép idő
yeah.
volt. Jó idő volt.
Okay, good.
Tavasz van.
Yeah,
Változó
tavasz,
az
that's
idő.
right. Alright, so we'll keep in touch and next time I'm in Hungary, I'll call you up.
Várlak.
Okay.
Gyere.